All right, good day. Welcome to Math Made Easy. Today we'll be looking at geometric progression and I explain what arithmetic progression stands for and how you can solve and get for the sum. Now, geometric progression works in exponent. Arithmetic progression I used 1, 3, 5, 7. I think the last time. Geometric progression does not work. Arithmetic progression use a common difference is either plus 2 or minus 2. But when it comes to when I mean plus 2, it can be plus 5 or and minus 5. We get just what I'm saying that it works in but addition and what division for the common difference. But for geometric progression, we deal with exponents, we deal with multiplication and division. For example, if you're having something like 2, 4, 8, 16. Now the common is not called common difference here actually, it's called common ratio. Now the common ratio is multiples of 2. 2 times 2 will give you 4, 2 times 4 will give you 8, 2 times like that. So um we can have 27, 9, 3, 1 over 3, 1 over 9, right? The common ratio here is 1 over 3, or you can say divided by 3. But most times for you to be clear, it's 1 over 3. Common ratio is 1 over 3. You get it? Now, you see that geometric progression is in exponent. It's in exponent. Now, there's a general formula, and it also uses Cn, Un, or N, right? You already know what Tn means, Un means. They means nth term. They mean nth term. This is last term. Why is general formula of A R raised power n minus 1? Now the same logic, A is what first term, R is what common ratio, N is what number of terms. Now the same logic in which we used to get arithmetic progression, I will explain it to you. So if we have 2, 4, 8, 16, right? Now, when we have T5, we have A plus 4D, like that. It also works in geometric progression. One, we have your T1 is equals to what? A. Now, follow me. Why is it A? Let me put the A here. Why is it A? Because we have T1 is first term, right? But let me explain this. We have A times R. N means 1 minus 1, right? So A times R is equal to 0, X is equal to 0 is 1, right? Now 4 minus 1, let me write it so that so the T2 is what? Let me not confuse you. Let me go back. T1 is first term, right? T2 will be first term times what? Common ratio. T3 will be second term times what? Common ratio. Now, using this to explain, for my T3, we have T2 is what? A times R times R. I know your law of indices. A times R, this will be 1 plus 1. A times R raised power what? 2. Now, AR raised power 2. T3 equals to AR raised power 2. If you continue, your T4 will be AR raised power 3. T5, AR raised power 4. Like that. That's how you have your N. Because your T4, the 4 here is your N. So if you have T4, you say 4 minus 1 will give you 3. T5, 5 minus 1 will give you 4. So that's a simple logic. That's a simple logic. Always looking for a way to simplify it because it's math made easy. Yes. So I'll use something similar, right? I'll just do 2, 4. I mean something similar to what we did in arithmetic progression. 2, 4, 8, 16. Find the fifth term, right? Okay, let me continue. 10th term and 20th term. So if you look at this, our first term here is what? 2. Our common ratio is what? 2. This time is 2. So we put 2. Now It's not going to be 1 over 2 because it's not decreasing, we're not dividing anything. So looking for first term, or for fifth term rather. Now because the common ratio is 2, you know that this first term, second term, third term, fourth term, you can just do 2 times 16 will give 32, right? But we are supposed to use the formula because in case we have longer, if you because this is fourth term, you know you can get fifth term, but when they give you like 20th term, you cannot be doing times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, right? So what we have here is what we're looking for, the what fifth term, and fifth term I told you is a r raised to power what 4. Your a is what 2 times 2 raised to power what 4. 2 times 3 raised to power 4 is what 16. So our answer is what 32. Your b, t10 equals to a times r raised to power 9. 2 times 2 raised to power what 9 equals to 2 times 2 raised to power 9, 2 raised to power 9, 2 raised to power 9, which should be 512. So our answer will be 1000. So 1024. The same thing with 20th step away. So you do this one for me, use your calculator, 20th step, and get it. So if you understand this, I'll do another variation of question. This should be number 1. I'll do another variation of question, and once we are done, um the next class will enter another thing. So this is the first question. Once you get your 20th step, you can put it in the comment section what your 20th step is. So for the second one, we can have a question whereby they will give you, if the seventh term, or let's say the fifth and seventh term of a geometric progression is, let me say, I don't want to make mistake. So let's say fifth term, right? Let's say 7 20. Let me use 243. 243, and what's the next one now? 2187 respectively. Find a common difference, or common ratio rather, b first term, c tenth term. So basically you find this one also yourself, but let me explain. Now the first term, the fifth term of an arithmetic of a geometric progression rather, and the fifth term is t5, right? T5 is ar is for what 4, and they gave us the answer is what, what is it, 243. Then the seventh term, ar raised to power 6 is what, 2187. Find the common ratio. Now I can actually solve it like this, but not to confuse, I have to rearrange it. Now basically we don't need this part again, and I will explain. We just need these two parts. We're going to do it like simultaneous equation. You know when you have a x plus y equals to 5, 2x minus 3y equals to 9. We're going to solve simultaneously, but this part, this is how we will do it. So bring the seventh term up, ar6 equals 2187. Bring the t5, the lowest one, down, ar raised to power 4 equals to 243. Now we are going to divide everything. A will cancel a, right? Here will become r raised to power 2. Why? When you are doing up indices, when you have division, they are the same power. Pick r minus their power 6 minus 4 equals to divide this one, you should get 9. Yes, you get 9. So 6 minus 4 is what? R is power what? 2 equals to 9. So R equals to square root of what? 9. R equals to what? R equals to 3. So our common ratio is what? 3. And we can we can use any of these two to get our first term. Let me pick the first one. To get first term, AR4 equals to 2, 4, 3. A times R is what? 3 raised power 4 equals to 2, 4, 3. A times 81 equals to 2, 4, 3. Right? Do you get it? So A times 81 equals to what? 2, 4, 3. A equals to 24, 243 divided by 81. A equals to what? 3. So we've gotten our common ratio, we've gotten our first step. So you find the tenth step. The reason I don't do it because I'm not with the calculator here, so it gives us quite a large number. So once you also get your tenth step, you can put your answer in the comment section. I think we are done with geometric progression. In the next class, I will teach about the sum of geometric progression. We actually have three, but in the next class I'll teach on that. Thank you very much. See you next class.